I am stranded at Chevron's because it's asking to make sure that you can take biodiesel. I have no idea, but these gentlemen have come over and tell me a few things about trucks, and he said I can
I'll tell you, I'm a Ford guy.
He's a Ford guy. Check that out. We're not messing around. He's got a, okay, tell me what it is. It's 19?
It's a 1958 F100.
Did I just run through LAX with snow boots on, with a heavy backpack to get here just before boarding? I kind of think so. Okay, just kidding. We just boarded and deboarded because they have wind and conditions happening out in Jackson Hole. So time to hunker in and hopefully have good enough Wi-Fi to finish some work, right? And read this book, by the way. Welcome to Stranger, and just dealing with immigration issues. If y'all know, I helped 5 inner city boys and 1 girl, so 6 of them get off to college and get through high school and get all their documentation and papers, and yeah. Really landing in Salt Lake City after going all the way up to Jackson Hole. Oh my gosh, not really. I just spent a whole entire day, seriously, a whole entire day flying in circles from LAX to Salt Lake up to Jackson Hole, in circles around it. Wasn't able to land, and then we came all the way back to Salt Lake, and it's the end of the day and there's no more flights. I think I'm gonna have to get a burger. Have an idea, rescue party idea. A gentleman found at National a passenger van. We are headed to get our ski luggage and all of our luggage and take this van and drive through the night to get to Jackson. We're all trying to find our bags. What if it doesn't get here? I think that this is it. We are rescuing ourselves because United's not going to. We are, all these people that don't even know each other from the flight are going to take their luggage in this passenger van, and we're going to drive 6 hours through a snowstorm to Jackson. Okay, everyone's in here, guys, and we're rescuing ourselves. Here we go, out of Salt Lake. We're going to try this again. Look at how beautiful the storm is down here, and the sunset in the sky, and way back there is a sunset happening, and
I'll get you.
oh my gosh, potty stop, break for food, and who knows where we are. We started out at LAX. We're supposed to end up in Jackson Hole, got within 400 yards of touching down to the airport, and had to fly out because of the wind factor. But I think we're gonna make it, and Lord willing, by maybe 1 in the morning, back to Jackson Hole. This is a reunion in Victor. First stop of our delivering everybody across to Idaho.
All right, I'll let you guys get on the road.
We're almost there, but we thought we were teasing way in the back. You can't see because it's dark. It's his we got the groom in the car. He's missing his bachelor party. Everyone's at this big house, ranch house that is a view of the Tetons, and he's was the only one that didn't make the flight. That is so sad. Reunion too. This is actually a bachelor party, and this is the groom. And they were gonna have a bachelor party without him. So shoot, we got here. And you know, we're in the infamous Albertsons parking lot of Jackson after hours. I went in and looked at property today, can you tell? They were down dirt roads, but they're ranch property. There's a hillside. You have neighbors here. You have an old barn. Teton Valley Lodge. And it's probably a really great place in the summer. Didn't even know there was a river out here. Teton Valley River, where have I been? how fun this would be to eat in the summer. What a view you have right here. Oh my gosh, I'm already in love with all this land. Check this out. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, welcome to California, but I'm not in California. I'm in Wyoming winter. They have never seen one like this. It's this warm. Never really had to wear the jackets. On my way back to California, and let's see, in the time that I've been here, if we were ever to correct get the electricity hooked back up to the cabin that had the tree fall on it. And let's catch this flight. A windless flight today would be wonderful. Today, I spent my day at Gator Wraps. We're going to put some logos and a look on this timing vehicle, and I'll tell you how it looks afterwards. Okay, we gotta take you on this experience. If you walk into the restroom, and it looks like this. That's pretty entertaining. Guess who's home in the mountains and picked up Champ? Look, 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 look. Let's go swimming in the lake. This way. I'm not gonna lie, it is tough to live without electricity and then make sure things are charged. I'm gonna go outside and for 1 hour and spend a tremendous amount of time just surviving. As you can tell, it's starting to get dark. Beautiful sky. Was a beautiful sunset. I'll show that to you. Got to put gas in the generator. I still have light, and I still have batteries in my lantern. One more night in the mountains, and I'm back down to you guys in Orange County. Rise and shine, everybody. Look at how beautiful it is at 6:45 in the morning, almost 7 o'clock, which is about the time that you'll be arriving at the rodeo run. But I'm running around to let Champ out so that we could go get ready for your rodeo run. Let's go. This is a weed, by the way, but you are a really pretty weed. You're pretty amazing. You grew that fast. Today is the day that you get dressed up on the inside because we dressed you up on the outside. We're gonna make you the new faithful super duty friend to our business and carry us on, big boy. In the race to get the races done and so much going on with my moving parts, I am doing something really awesome today. We're getting the interior of this truck prettied up, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen here. It's pretty amazing. Back at it with Eddie, his main manager, Tony, the owner of Design Covers, and we are getting design covers put in, and you're going to see how effective these are because you know I've got Champ. So we are finished with dressing up the boy in his
let's check out your seat covers.
And this is Tony, by the way, and he's the owner of Design Covers here in Rancho Cucamonga. So if you want to get your seats covered and all kinds of things, we're going to work on dash covers and everything. But this is how you dress up your boy in a tuxedo, and we're super excited. Thank you so much. In case you're asking, where did I get these seat covers? I got them from Tony and his manager, Eddie.
That's right.
And they're thanking me, but I'm going to throw this out there so that you guys know where to come. And I think I'm going to put it on my website, or my Instagram site, so you know. This feels like a sick friend that's in the hospital that's been diagnosed with cancer. You just hope that chemo puts it all back together again. Seriously? OMG. They're not even close to being done. Prayers for you, little faithful transit. We hope they know that they're doing.
Don't forget to come to the rodeo run this Sunday.
We're riding off to the sunset.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Ready for the rodeo run and Ware event, and I just want to let you know that you're welcome to bring your pets. Dogs are welcome, and even baby llamas. What do you think? Do you want to come run a Ware event?
Hi guys, welcome to Huntington Beach at the Rodeo Run. Come by C4, get yourself a free energy drink on us. We got Mango Fuego and the frozen bombsicle, so come on by.
Hey, I recognize this crowd. It's raised by the LAPD, and they're ready for the rodeo run. Well, they're getting ready for the rodeo run. Woo! We are ready. Oh my gosh, I am being served straight from
Cafecito.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
The rodeo run.
Hold this here, you gotta hold your mouth like this.
Can I do it after?
There, now, big.
Oh!
7 right, 4, 3, 2, and take it left for 4, 3, 2, tap and kick your heels, 1, 2, 3, walk and turn to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and take it right for 4, 3, 2, walk and turn left, to the right, left, well we'll look at it as we go as well.
Really fun for me. These ladies have come up. Look at how fun they look at the rodeo run with the rodeo run shirt. And she said she read my book.
I read the book and it was so inspiring. It got me in the gym every day. I think I laughed and I cried. And I just felt like I was in the adventure with you. The way it was written in your voice. Reading the story was just so inspiring. I encourage anybody to please listen to it or read it. It's truly an inspiring story.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Finding Fit right there. It's on Amazon, and they made me do my non-audible. You listen to Audible, so you listen to my voice. Yes. Wow. Okay.
I was hearing your voice.
Awesome. Here's a runner that's actually rocking it at the rodeo run.
I'm Trisha. I'm from Huntington Beach, California.
Okay, right here in your own backyard. Hey, don't let him get you!
Bring the heat, buddy.
Hey, popcorn.
Yay, popcorn.
That's her average. We've seen her shoot .47, .41. We've seen her shoot her toe off even. That's what.
You like what?
Kirkland Water. Yeah, buddy.
How come?
That's my last name.
Which one do you like better? They're both the same.
Hey, these guys had a great time.
Thanks so much. Her fault. No, she talked the whole time. I was Look, I got a belt buckle, almost like Western states.
Awesome. Woo, good for you. Oh my gosh. Good for you. So proud of this man. So proud of this man. Let's film this because this lady just went flying by on her bicycle and stopped because she said, what did I do?
Well, you came to Mariners Church in Irvine about 2 years ago, and with your van, and you had all of this excess
Protein. Yeah.
And you donated it all to our pantry, food pantry, and we really appreciate it, Caren. I was so happy to meet you and the heart that you have and doing God's work. We really appreciate you. So
Thank you so much. How funny! What a blessing! And then she's just riding her bike up and down the bike path in Huntington Beach and saw the race.
Yes.
Thank you. My gosh, it's a birthday for Kathleen.
Ooh, the big 6'3".
We're in the same age year. Woohoo! And look at how big. That's pretty amazing. Okay. Oh my gosh, where are you from?
Hola, somos de Perú y somos un negocio de familia.
So the family-run business from Peru. Yeah. So you're from Peru, he's from Peru, but different parts, and you met here. Wow, how cool is that? Hey, this is why we had to get the beast, the big boy truck, because we have the big boy trailer, and I have the big boys that hook it up for me during the race. Do your stuff. Yes, did I finally get an Edison person that knew the mountain that came to my cabin, that hooked up the electrical, and now I have electricity. Wow, that was a 5-week endurance, mainly attitude endurance, but also strategy on what to do when you don't have electricity. But let there be light.
Udah, boy dong ang hati ka. Dos boy dong ang hati ka.